This is a love offering for my mom. My mom and her recipe book taught me, if you put in the work, you will come out with something special. This was my mother's favorite chocolate bar.
The Cuban lunch was made until 1991. After a few years, the trademark became expunged.
Being in the situation where I could bring back the Cuban lunch, I had to see it forward. And when I reached CIBC, a real person answered the phone.
You knew what you wanted, and I really believed in you.
She was very professional. She hooked us up with the right kind of account. And then when we needed a loan, she figured out ways to get us what we needed and really made the difference.
So Crystal and I bought the trademark and we started making the Cuban lunch again. Our first year, we made maybe 2,000 chocolate bars by hand, to this year where we're making 2.5 million.
No surprise, I brought you one of these. She taught me to stick with things. Keep putting one foot in front of the other. When you think you can't anymore, you can.